Alright guys, I'll show you how to extract points from Google Earth and convert them to GPX file. This is one way to do it. You add a path, we call it random path. For the sake of simplicity, we choose the path. For example, this is our path. We add as much points as I can. That's enough. We hit OK, then we go to random, save place as, we choose KML file. Then I created a file and name it Google Earth 2 points. We click save. Alright, then we go to this website called GPS Visualizer, then click choose file, wait, then choose our random KML file, click open, then click convert and add elevation. Some other application or programs doesn't add elevation and has some problems, like this TCX converter. Sometimes it stucks and doesn't add altitude. So this is another way to do it. We click convert and add elevation, then wait. Here gives you the download link. Click. This is our KML file and this is our GPX file. You can see the extension right here, GPX. Then we need to convert this GPX file to CSV using Microsoft Excel. We first open Microsoft Excel. We open our Microsoft Excel, then we drag the GPX file in here. We click yes, then as an XML table. OK, yes. Here we need this point, the latitude, the longitude, and the elevation. We select them all. We click copy. Then in a new sheet, we click paste. Alright, this is our points, the coordinate system and the elevation, and when we upload them to Civil 3D, we need to arrange them into a certain format. For example, we'll choose points, eastern, northern, elevation, and we add description. We call this elevation. In just a second I'll add points. Alright, this is our points from 1 to 211, and we need a description. We call it RT, as for real terrain. We paste for all fields. Then the last step is to delete the first row, then save the file. We save as, choose location, we name it random, then we choose a CSV comma delimited, then save. Click yes, and that's it. we will get a file like that. If we click properties, we will read CSV, and this is the file we need to upload in Civil 3D. I'll show you the next time how to do it.